Hello folks, how you doing? This is Bill Twyford, the rock star of real estate with Investors Edge University. I am coming to see you in Tampa Bay August 9th. I want to talk to you guys about your changing market. I want to talk to you about what's going on and how you're going to have to change your strategies for next year. Your market's changing, folks. If nobody's telling you about that, you're not going to hear it from the media. You're not going to hear it from realtors. You're not going to hear it from Zillow. You're not going to hear it from the internet. You're going to hear it straight from the horse's mouth. I'm going to show you exactly what markets are changing in your area and also what markets are going to go up, what markets are going down. We're going to show you the 6 triggers, the momentum keys, every single thing, where the wealth phases are going to be in the Tampa-St. Pete area over the next 24 months. You guys need to be there August 9th. Don't forget, August 9th. Be there in Tampa, Dustin Griffin's group, the Tampa REIA. See you there, guys.